بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سبح اسم ربك الأعلى الذي خلق فسوى والذي قدر فهدى والذي أخرج المرعى فجعله غثاء أحوى.
Surah Al-Ala. In the name of God, the most gracious, the ever merciful. Glorify the name of your Lord, O Prophet, who is the Most High, who created, then perfected, who set measure for all things, then showed them the way in accordance with it, who brought forth vegetation, then made it dense, lush green.
سنقرئك فلا تنسى إلا ما شاء الله إنه يعلم الجهر وما يخفى ونيسرك لليسرى.
In a similar manner, this Quran will also gradually reach its culmination. Then soon we shall completely recite it to you so that you will not forget it, except what God pleases. He knows what is manifest before you at this time also, and also what is hidden from you. In a similar way, we shall also gradually lead you away from these difficulties towards ease.
فذكر إن نفعت الذكرى سيذكر من يخشى ويتجنبها الأشقى الذي يصلى النار الكبرى ثم لا يموت فيها ولا يحيا.
So remind them if reminding is beneficial. He who fears God will soon take heed, and only that most wretched person will evade it, who will enter the great fire. Then he will neither die nor live in it.
قد أفلح من تزكى وذكر اسم ربه فصلى.
However, successful shall be he who spiritually purified himself, and for this he remembered his Lord's name, then prayed.
بل تؤثرون الحياة الدنيا والآخرة خير وأبقى إن هذا لفي الصحف الأولى صحف إبراهيم وموسى.
People, you do not have any sound argument. In fact, you will give preference to worldly life, even though the life to come is better and more lasting also. Then this is not even anything new. It is found in the early scriptures as well, the scriptures of Abraham and Moses.